Well, since 2006, small businesses trying to provide health coverage for their employees have been getting help through a program called Insure Oklahoma. But as our Alisa Hines reports, its own success could limit the people it helps.
From saws to sanders, making cabinets can be a dangerous business and insurance a necessity. Yet for Hutchison Products owner Patrick Hutchison, providing such is not cheap nor easy.
The company pays 80% of the employee premium, and the employee had to pay 20% of their premium, but they had to pay 100% of any premiums for dependents or spouses. And even at that, with the company taking most of the burden off of the premium, it was still a struggle.
And many employees still couldn't afford it. But now it's easier for Hutchison and his employees, thanks to a program called Insure Oklahoma. Oklahoma Healthcare Authority CEO Mike Fogarty.
As you know, we're literally in a crisis, both nationally, but in particular in Oklahoma, with people not being able to access health care because they can't access affordable insurance to cover the cost of health care. So it's a devastating situation.
Basically, Insure Oklahoma offers subsidies to the employer offering health care benefits and eases the premiums both the employer and the employee have to pay.
If the employer offers a commercial plan, then the employer pays a small percentage, 25% of the premium, the employee pays 15% of the premium, and then the program subsidizes the balance, the 60%.
Unlike most commercial plans, the employee's spouse and dependents can be covered on the same plan at the same percentage breakdown. And Fogarty says it's necessary because 1 in every 5 Oklahomans doesn't have health care, and 80% of those people are working adults.
The objective through Insure Oklahoma is simply to make it affordable for those people to participate.
And employees like Cynthia Lankster say they're relieved knowing they're protected by a plan that's easier on the pocketbook.
It's just a big relief, you know, knowing that if something's wrong with my daughter or I, that we can go to the doctor, you know, you don't have to, it's something I can afford.
That helps them be able to afford insurance that they really need, health insurance. It helps them get their spouse coverage if they need it, which has been really big for some of our people. And it also helps the company because it relieves some of that premium burden from the company. So we have more money to work with for benefits and other programs that we have. You know, it's a great program, and it has really benefited our people.
And joining me now is our Alisa Hines. Well, Lisa, it sounds like a really good program.
It is. It's really got good positive reviews. It's growing and adapting and even receiving national attention. Some say it should be the model for our national healthcare system.
Now, I understand, though, that the program may have to start turning people away?
Very possibly. Currently, there's enough money for about 30,000 people, but with the growth rate of about 9.8%, that could easily jump to 40,000 by January, and there's just not enough money to cover that many people.
Now, is everyone eligible for this program?
No, not every company is eligible, nor is every employee eligible. Let's take a look at who is. Companies that employ less than 50 low-wage workers are eligible. And of those, the employee needs to earn less than $40,000 to be eligible. And there's many small businesses in Oklahoma that are eligible. They just don't realize it. But that's what Oklahoma is. It's built up of small business.
And of course, that $40,000 is twice the poverty rate.
Correct.
All right. Well, thank you very much, Alisa. Now, the healthcare debate in this country is as broad as it is deep, and we have much, much more on our website. There we have the full interview with Senator Tom Coburn on what he believes is the proper prescription for healthcare reform. Plus, I sit down with the head of Oklahoma's Sooner Care program. Now, to see both of these web-exclusive videos, simply head to okhorizon.com and click on this week's Value Added.